Wow, it is a beautiful rainy day here in southern Florida, and for some reason, the skies are not cooperating with me. Okay, so 10 minutes ago, I was complaining that it wasn't raining enough here in Florida, and I wanted to show you this on video. But now, Florida has come through and shared with you the craziness that is Florida weather. What makes these things perfect? How pretty are they? And functional too. So cool. To show you water cascading through this, I thought it was a perfect use here. Up here, the water tends to come pouring off there when it obviously is pouring out, and I thought this would look beautiful here with the water cascading down, but it's not going to cooperate with us today. But here's what it looks like, just so you know. If you're interested in this, I hope that's helpful. We'll see you next time.